Hey everyone, what if I told you I made this entire video without writing a script, without recording anything, and without ever turning on my camera? No, really, I didn't do any of that. AI did it for me, and it all happened on a new platform called Keevx, a powerful AI tool that turns simple ideas into full-on digital avatar videos in just minutes. Keevx has officially launched, and this one's a game changer for creators, solopreneurs, and anyone who needs content fast, without the editing stress, without camera setups, and definitely without needing to speak 70 languages. Let me walk you through exactly how it works, step by step, and I'll show you a real example from scratch. So Keevx is a web-based platform. That means there's nothing to download or install. Just head over to keevx.com, sign up for a free account, and you're in. They even give you 10 free minutes of video creation time. And if you invite a friend, you get 25 more. That's 35 free minutes, full HD export, no watermark. Now let's create a video using Keevx Step 1. Just tell Keevx what you want the video to be about. Let's say I want to create a short explainer video titled 5 Ways to Boost Productivity Using AI Tools. I type that in, Keevx's AI instantly writes a complete video script. Step 2. Pick your avatar. Keevx has 50+ avatars. Human style, professional, friendly, casual, you name it. He has a clean business look. Now we choose a template. You'll find all kinds: tech explainers, tutorial formats, Instagram reels, educational breakdowns, and more. I'm selecting a YouTube-style clean white background with subtle motion. Now here comes the magic. Once you hit create, intro, body, and outro, all structured like a pro. You can edit it if you want, but honestly, most of the time, it nails it. Here's what the generated script looks like. Keevx generates the full video automatically. The avatar reads the script using AI-generated voice. The lips move naturally and match the voice in sync. With Keevx, creating AI-powered videos is fast, intuitive, and professional. Let's explore the powerful tools that make it all possible. Start by selecting a digital avatar. Choose from diverse styles, languages, and tones to match your message. Next, input your script, or let Keevx help you with it. The built-in AI tools let you polish, expand, shorten, or translate your script in one click. You can also duplicate your video for other languages or formats effortlessly. Pick a background that fits your content, from clean studio looks to custom media. Upload your own media, like product images, logos, or video clips, to fully brand your project. Add text overlays with animated styles to emphasize key points and personalize the layout. Choose music from Keevx royalty-free library, or upload your own to match your tone. And if you work with slides or documents, Keevx can convert your PowerPoint or PDF files into avatar-narrated videos instantly. Perfect for courses, reports, or product pitches. From script to screen, Keevx gives you total control. Powered by AI. No camera, no editing skills, just results. Here's the final result.
Unlock your potential. 5 AI tools to supercharge productivity. AI is revolutionizing the workplace, automating tasks and enhancing efficiency. These innovative tools offer significant gains. Here are 5 practical AI integrations to maximize your productivity. AI automates repetitive tasks.
Avatar speaking it smoothly in generated video. It seriously looks like I hired a presenter, booked a studio, recorded a script, edited everything, but nope. That took me under 5 minutes, and I didn't even have to appear on camera. No way, let's click on Create Avatar and select age, plan, your preference, number of avatars created, and any other preference if you have, and your avatar will be ready. Now let's talk about Keevx's newest feature. And this one's wild. AI video translation. With just one click, you can convert that same video into over 70 languages and 175 dialects, including Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, Japanese, French, even regional accents. And it's not just subtitles. Keevx actually clones your voice, translates it, and syncs your avatar's lips to match the new language. Let me show you.
Libérez votre potentiel, 5 outils d'IA pour booster votre productivité. L'IA révolutionne le monde du travail, automatisant les tâches et...
Same avatar, same personality, new voice, new language, new market. That's powerful. So who's Keevx perfect for? Creators who hate being on camera, freelancers who need to make tutorials or explainers fast, agencies producing content at scale, influencers making reels or shorts, entrepreneurs selling products in multiple languages. Basically, anyone who wants to save time and create smart content with minimal effort even better. It works for long-form content and quick social videos, educational breakdowns, client presentations, app demos, product walkthroughs. It does it all. No need to learn video editing software. You don't need to hire voice actors or presenters. Your content can go global instantly. You can create video after video without burning out. Here's a tip. If you want to go viral on Shorts or Instagram Reels, generate 10 quick tips, feed them into Keevx one by one, and you've got a whole week of content. No camera, no microphone, no problem. Keevx is seriously one of the most accessible content creation tools I've seen. It removes every single barrier. No editing, no writing, no camera, no language barrier. You bring the idea. Keevx brings it to life. And right now, you can try it completely free. Sign up at Keevx.com and get 10 minutes of free video time. No credit card needed. Invite a friend, and boom, 25 extra minutes. That's 35 total, with full HD export and no watermark. If you like it, that's ridiculously affordable. So, the next time someone asks you how you made a video so fast, just smile and say, Keevx did it. Create without limits. And try Keevx today. Links in the description.